Hi guys, here's a very quick video on making a scatter plot on Google Sheets. So the first step is to type out your data points. You have to have your X values in the first column and your Y values in the second column. So remember, each row is going to represent one data point. So for example, this might be the distance a person ran while running over time. So in 3 seconds, he ran 5 meters. In 6 seconds, he ran 10 meters. In 10 seconds, 19 meters, etc., etc. Okay, so select all the data, include the headings, go to Insert, Chart, and sometimes it should default to a scatter plot. Okay, here I have a line chart. I don't really want that, probably because the vertical axis, the first column is time, so it defaulted to a line chart. I want a scatter chart or scatter plot. Okay, so it's gonna look a little something like this. You should all be familiar with the basic chart functionality of Google Sheets by now. So there's your scatter plot. Next up, to make a line the best fit, I'm gonna click on the Customize tab. I'm gonna select Series, and I'm gonna click on Trend Line. Trend line is just another word for line the best fit. I'm gonna click on that. Type is linear because I want a line. There are other types though. Oops, that disappeared. Trend line. Okay, so next up, if you want to show the correlation coefficient, R squared, okay, just click on show R squared. R squared is actually correlation coefficient squared. Remember, you can get R squared or R. If I want to get R here, I just get the square root of R squared. So I have 0.996. If you wanted to figure out what the correlation coefficient was, just get the square root of that, okay, which is 0.998. So we have a near perfect relationship here, positive relationship. Next up, the equation of the line of best fit. Okay, so when we want the equation, we can click on there should also be a label here, and we click on use equation. All right, and now we have the equation up here, 2.16 x plus negative, so minus 2.31. okay, so that's our equation line of best fit in slope intercept form. The slope is 2.16 and the y-intercept is negative 2.31, which means this is not realistic at a very, very low time, or a time close to zero. Okay, all right, those are the basics of scatter plots and lines of best fit using Google Sheets. Remember, you will need to learn how to do this for your common activity.